Hello everyone. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Anderson operator arm shoe. Anderson operator arm shoe is this piece over here. This piece over here. Alright? That's the one we gotta change. Alright? If this broken like this one, alright, you need to change it. This is very important piece to change because without this you cannot open or close the window. It's very important, very small, but without it, if it's broken, you have to change it. Otherwise, the window's got to be open, water's got to come in, you're going to lose energy, heat, or air conditioning. It's very small, but very important. And I'm going to leave the part number in the description box. This piece over here, the little one, is not cheap. This is come in two pieces, left and right, all right? And it's not cheap. So they come in two pair, all right? Left and right. The first thing you gotta do first, you gotta take the screen off, all right? Take the screen off, you put it on the side, and then if you have this kind of window, Anderson window, this one, all right, one with two arms like that, left and right, all right, the little shoe, it comes this one here and this one, all right, they come pairs, they come in two, so you have to change both of them, all right, and this piece again is not cheap. This is about $35 or $36 for both of them. All right. So now I'm gonna show you how to change this. All right. We have to take this rod out. This rod, and remember, this rod, they're not one piece. They're two different pieces. One in the right, one in the left. All right. I'm gonna show you one in the right, and you follow the same thing in the left. All right, we have to take this out and change this piece over here. All right, this video you're not gonna find it on YouTube. Nobody has it. That's why I decided to show the video so more people will benefit from this video. Even the part number for the shoe, this one here, all right, the part number for this, I went crazy to find it because it's not on YouTube. It's not no information whatsoever about those two pieces over here. All right, let me show you how to do it. All right, first you have to unscrew this screw over here. You have to take this screw out. This one. All right. So let's open the window a little bit more. All right. We have to take this screw out like that, all right, and save it, put on the side over here, all right. Once you do that, you take it out from, you see how it come off, you see, you take it out, all right, like this, and then what do, you take the this shoe out like that. This is a lock over here. You take this lock, you open the lock, and you pull it up. You see how it come up and it goes inside here. All right. You take the shoes up and you put the new one. All right, and you close it again like this. All right, and you put the rod back. So the same thing. You have to change both of them. You see this rod. The two pieces. First, I thought there's all one whole piece. No, it's not. There's one in the right, one in the left. All right. So this way, you take the old one out, you put the new one, you put it back again over here, and you have to remember those are marked right and left. You got to put the right one in the right arm and the left one in the left arm. They're marked already. And then you put inside here, right? So This is it. Now you gotta put it back again inside the rod like this, all right? And you put it back again over here, all right? And you screw again, back again, the arm back again, like this, all right? So this one here, you screw back again like that, all right? All right, I'm not gonna show you the left one is the same. So this way I don't make the video longer for you. But if you learn one, you follow the same steps to the next one, to the left one. All right, so you put the screw back again like this, you tie it up like that. All right, you tie it up nice and tight. Like this, see? And then you put this back again, you put the hole in the bin, like that. You put in the bin, all right? You click it in all the way down, and then you lock it. You lock it with this. That's the lock over here. You lock it like that, all right? Make sure this inside. And then you try it, you see? See, open and close, all right? Open, close, and open, all right? So this is the Anderson window operator arm shoe. That's a shoe, all right? That's what they call it, shoe. So if you have this kind of window and you have the shoe broken, that's how you replace it, all right? So I gotta put the part number in the description box, all right, in the video. So if you like this video, if you benefit from it, please make a like to the video and share it so more people will benefit from this video. Okay, so I hope you like it again, and thank you, and have a good day. Good luck. Bye-bye.